From the stable of LJE Nigeria, this is Know Your Law, the program where we demystify the law, break it down in simple terms, and empower you to know your rights and responsibilities. I am Munirat Adama. Today, we turn to a painful but important topic: road accidents, corporate liability, and your right to compensation. Every day, thousands of Nigerians fall victim to reckless driving, yet many never get justice, largely because they do not know what the law provides. To bring this home, let's consider the case of Ruth Otabo, the younger sister of BB Niger star Fina, who was recently struck by a Dangote cement truck in Auchi, Edo State. This tragedy raises a fundamental legal question: what responsibility does Dangote cement have, and what rights belong to Ruth under Nigerian law? We will start with vicarious liability. Under Section 14 of the Labour Act, and consistent with common law, employers are responsible for the wrongful acts of employees, provided those acts occur in the course of employment. This principle was upheld in Ifeanyi Chukwu Osondu and Co. Limited versus Sole Bona Nigerian Limited, 2000, 5 Nigerian Weekly Law Report, part 656-322 for those who want to read further. In simple terms, if the driver of the Dangote truck was on official duty at the time of accident, Dangote Cement is legally liable, regardless of whether the driver tried to escape. We have duty of care. The Road Traffic Act, Cap. Arrow 10 LFN 2004, Section 10 and 18 precisely places a duty of care on all drivers and companies. Vehicles must be trustworthy and drivers must be licensed and competent. Failure to meet this obligation amounts to negligence. We have compensation for victims, yes. Victims of road accidents can seek redress through civil claims for damages. Under tort law, this includes special damages, hospital bills, and rehabilitation. We have general damages, pain, trauma, and disfigurement, like in the case of Ruth that lost a foot. Then we have future damages, long-term disability, and loss of earning capacity. A useful precedent here is Okonkwo versus Guinness Nigerian Limited PLC, a 1998 case, 8th Nigerian Weekly Report, part 561-295 for those who want to read further, where a company was held liable for injuries inflicted by its staff. Then we have insurance obligation. The Insurance Act 2003, Section 68 precisely makes third-party insurance compulsory for all vehicles. This means that Dangote insurer is legally bound to cover Ruth's compensation. Then we have criminal liability. The Road Traffic Act also provides for criminal responsibility. Under Section 5 and 6 of the Act, it provides that fleeing the scene of an accident is a criminal offense, and reckless or dangerous driving carries penalties. While the driver bears personal responsibility, Dangote Cement itself may face corporate liability if negligence in supervision is established. Now, for the legal and moral take for today, Dangote Cement has pledged to support Ruth. Yes, we know that. While this is commendable, this is not an act of charity. It is a legal duty. Under Nigerian law, Ruth is entitled to 1. Adequate medical care, 2. Full financial compensation, and 3. Justice for negligence. And so is any victim who falls under similar circumstances. So, dear listeners, never forget, when a company vehicle injures you, the law offers more than sympathy. It guarantees your right to full compensation under the Road Traffic Act, the Insurance Act, and the principles of negligence. Before we go, if you or your loved ones becomes a victim of a corporate vehicle accident, always remember to 1. Record the details, the plate number, company name, and the driver information. 2. Report immediately to the police and the FRSC, Federal Road Safety Corps. 3. Verify insurance and insist on proof of third-party cover. And 4. Very importantly, seek legal assistance. Victims can sue and NGOs may also provide support. 5. Keep proper record. This is also very important. Hospital bills, reports, and receipts are vital evidence. The law is clear. No life should be destroyed without accountability. This is Know Your Law. As always, our business is to keep you informed at all times. Bye for now.